Welcome to Debt Busters. Join us in today's video as we discover the keys to earning an astonishing $500 daily with Pictory AI, the AI we will discuss for text-to-video creations. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you like what you see and want to support the channel. Consider the following scenario. You have a brilliant YouTube idea but are stuck on the script. This is where ChatGPT, the AI assistant, comes into action. With the assistance of ChatGPT, we can prompt it to write a 4-minute script for a YouTube video. For example, we can choose a topic like exploring 10 niche concepts for a YouTube channel. Prepare for an abundance of creativity, inspiration, and actionable advice that will unlock your channel's true potential. ChatGPT will write the script from the introduction, setting the stage for an unforgettable experience. The captivating visuals and dynamic narration will captivate your audience immediately, leaving them anxious to discover the following niche concepts. ChatGPT will weave a spellbinding script to guide you through the intricacies of each concept as it outlines each niche. It will immerse you in niche YouTube channels, bringing each concept to life through evocative descriptions. ChatGPT will recap the key takeaways and provide invaluable guidance for your YouTube channel. You will gain newfound clarity and be equipped with the knowledge to make decisions that will set you on the path to success. The outro of the script will leave you inspired and motivated as the video comes to a close. With ChatGPT's scripting prowess, the sky is the limit when creating the faceless YouTube channel you've always desired. You may now instruct ChatGPT to expand each paragraph of the script, infusing it with enthralling narratives, insightful stories, and professional insights that will fascinate your audience from beginning to end. Let's go on this adventure of growth together, paragraph by paragraph, to guarantee that each portion of the screenplay receives the attention it deserves. We prompted ChatGPT to add its own flair to each section, transforming the script into a comprehensive masterpiece that will truly resonate with your audience. Following this systematic approach ensures that the enlarged script satisfies your expectations and reduces the likelihood that the script will fall short of your desired duration. Each paragraph will be meticulously expanded, resulting in a smooth flow of ideas, an outstanding balance of knowledge and amusement, and a totally immersive experience for your audience. Save the expanded script for future reference when you're done with it. Copy and paste the completed version into a dependable word editing software such as Google Docs, where you can keep it safe and readily available at any time. This script will be a vital resource in your files, giving you a basis for creating excellent content, guiding your filming process, and ensuring consistency throughout your YouTube journey. Now that you've methodically written your script in your favorite word processor, it's time to unleash the full power of Pictory AI on your YouTube content creation journey. Pictory provides a free tier of service, allowing you to test the AI-powered platform's remarkable potential. Click my link in the description to follow along. Sign up for the free edition and prepare for a fantastic adventure that will change how you create YouTube videos. Pictory AI's free version gives you access to tools and features that will take your material to new heights. Use AI-powered video production, screenplay development, and editing tools to bring your ideas to life like never before. Pictory AI will transform your videos into professional-grade productions that leave a lasting impression, from dramatic visual effects to flawless audio integration. But that's not all. Pictory AI's free edition connects you to a thriving community of creators like you. Connect, collaborate with, and share your experiences with other content makers on the same exciting journey. Now, Pictory AI allows you to translate your thoughts into compelling visuals using a variety of templates, such as script to video, article to video, and even editing videos with text and visuals. For our example, we'll explore the thrilling world of script to video conversion and demonstrate its endless possibilities. Consider having a script that has been meticulously produced to express your message with clarity and impact. Your words will come to life on the screen with Pictory AI's script-to-video template, enthralling your audience in a visual extravaganza. The AI's intelligent platform understands the complexities of narrative, combining breathtaking images, fascinating animations, and flawlessly timed music to create an immersive experience that connects with your audience. As you enter your script into Pictory AI, marvel as your words are turned into a captivating video. Each expression of conversation, description, and emotion is brought to life by carefully chosen graphics and smooth transitions. The Pictory AI script-to-video template enables you to communicate your content in a visually spectacular, fascinating, and engaging way. Let's now look at transforming your work into an astonishing visual masterpiece with Pictory AI. The adventure begins when you enter the title of your video, laying the groundwork for a fantastic creation. Your script is effortlessly integrated into the platform, where Pictory AI performs its magic with a simple paste from your trusted word processor. As the character count is presented, you can peek at your epic story unfolding. By the way, I'm not sure if it's for you, but if you know someone who's interested in growing their channel and dominating YouTube, use my link in the description to try an absolutely free YouTube course that can grow your channel from $0 to $10,000 in profit on YouTube without showing your face, using your own voice, or making videos at all. Pictory AI also includes a short spell check to ensure that your video is visually gorgeous and perfectly written. After you've completed the script, it's time to click the Proceed button and choose the video template that best fits your vision. You have a plethora of options, like a sleek and modern style, a lively and dynamic vibe, or a warm and personal ambiance. Be sure to pick the right aspect ratio for your video. You can choose between 16:9 for long-form YouTube videos, 9:16 for TikTok and YouTube Shorts, or 1:1 for Instagram. Click Continue and Pictory AI's powerful technology will work diligently behind the scenes in only a few minutes, producing a storyboard that will bring your script to life. So let your imagination run wild as Pictory AI creates cinematic magic. The short wait will be worthwhile since what awaits you is a visual feast beyond your wildest fantasies. Prepare to witness the birth of your video as the might of AI collides with the boundless depths of your imagination. Congratulations! After Pictory AI has worked its magic and provided you with an aesthetically gorgeous video, it's time to take your production to the next level. The next stage is adding musical magic to intensify the feelings and improve the viewing experience. Simply click on the audio option on the platform's left side to get started. Pictory's massive library of royalty-free music, meticulously picked to suit diverse moods and genres, will astound you. Choose background music that complements the concept of your video, capturing your viewers' attention and immersing them in the story you're conveying. It's also time to add a human touch. Consider adding a voiceover to your video to offer context, narration, or commentary. Strike the ideal balance between background music and voiceover, ensuring that both aspects blend flawlessly. You have the option of uploading your own voiceover, recording your voiceover directly into Pictory, or using Pictory's text-to-speech software. I'm not the biggest fan of Pictory's voices, but let's hear a few, and you tell me what you think. Right now, Pictory only offers text-to-speech AI voices in various English dialects. We'll try Tom.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion rate by 80%.
Next, let's hear Alice.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion rate by 80%.
And finally, let's try Jackson.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion rate by 80%.
It sounds like Pictory has worked on developing more robust voices. I prefer these to other voices that are higher on the list, but tell me what you think in the comments. Pictory AI allows you to fine-tune the audio levels, reducing background music to roughly 8% to provide clarity and concentrate on the voiceover. This careful balance ensures that your viewers are totally engaged with the information, while also being inspired by the music's expressive force. With the audio pieces in place, your video transforms into a multi-sensory experience that captivates and resonates on a deeper level with your viewers. So go ahead and explore the audio tab, choose the ideal background music, and add a stunning voiceover to bring your project to life. It's time to immerse your audience in a symphony of sights and sounds that will inspire them and leave them wanting more. It's time now to preview your video, ensuring every frame is just as you envisioned. Sit back, relax, and watch the magic happen in front of your eyes. If you're happy with the outcome, the next step is to click the download button and export your video to your preferred social media channels. However, before venturing into the YouTube world, becoming acquainted with monetization policies and community guidelines is critical. Take the time to learn how to monetize your YouTube channel and the stages involved in starting and developing it. Remember that persistence and hard work are essential for earning at least $500, if not more. It's vital to understand that simply putting your videos out there will not make it rain money. You'll need to pick a high CPM niche in order to make $500 a day through YouTube. Click the card above to figure out what some of the highest paying niches are on YouTube. Don't rely entirely on promises of significant returns without putting in the necessary effort. Your AI videos can earn big cash if you combine your passion, dedication, and strategic approach. So don't be shy. I know you're tired of watching countless faceless YouTube videos like this, trying to figure out how to make a channel and make money online. However, the truth is that it can take several years just to produce a single successful video if you're trying to learn YouTube through trial and error. But if you prefer a more active approach to learning how to make money online, where you can make $10,000 per month or more with YouTube cash cow channels, then you don't want to miss this exclusive offer. Our friend Matt Parr has put together a 100% free course that teaches you his secret growth tactics for making up to $30,000 each month online. And for a limited time, he's offering an exclusive upsell to his course. With this course, you'll get access to even more advanced strategies and techniques for maximizing your YouTube earnings. You'll learn how to create and monetize multiple cash cow channels, how to optimize your videos for maximum views and revenue, and much more. Don't miss this opportunity to take your YouTube success to the next level. Click the link below to learn more and sign up for the upsell now. You'll be glad you did. Now you know the make $500 per day making text to video AI videos. That, however, won't help you if you're interested in knowing the best AI voice generator for YouTube videos 2023. Watch the video on your screen if you really want to know the best AI voice generator for YouTube videos 2023. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.